How do I remove Rocket Money from my bank account? Are you looking to remove Rocket Money from your bank account? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to remove Rocket Money from your bank account in a few simple steps. Rocket Money is a great tool for saving money on your monthly bills. However, there may be times when you want to remove Rocket Money from your bank account. Perhaps you're no longer using the service, or maybe you are just looking to clean up your finances. In this video, I will show you how to remove Rocket Money from your bank account. I will also provide you with some additional tips and information that you may find helpful. Here are the steps on how to remove Rocket Money from your bank account. Log in to your Rocket Money account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Bank Accounts. Click on the Remove Bank Account button. Confirm that you want to remove your bank account. Once you have completed these steps, Rocket Money will be removed from your bank account. If you have any questions about removing Rocket Money from your bank account, you can contact Rocket Money customer support. You can also find more information about Rocket Money on their website. Conclusion: I hope this video has helped you to remove Rocket Money from your bank account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Call to action. If you're looking for a great way to save money on your monthly bills, I highly recommend Rocket Money. You can sign up for Rocket Money for free by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when writing your YouTube video script. Make sure your script is engaging and informative. Use strong visuals and audio to keep your viewers interested. Keep your script concise and to the point. Use a conversational tone. Proofread your script carefully before you publish it. I hope this helps.